Hello guys, BushDar36 here, and today we're going to take a drive on the Bluebird Vision Propane. So we're playing Waits Bus Lines. So you see I'm driving a, so you can see this is the 18 spec model. Yo, what the heck? Oh, you know what, never mind. Well, after all, it was like... So if you guys are new, please smash the notifications. And we'll see if we can get guys, if we could see if we can get 375 or 400 subscribers before the end of the year, that will give me great support. If you guys can subscribe right now, you can. If you don't, nah, take your time, you know. It's patience time, you know. If you're interested to see more of these bus videos, let me know in comments below. If you're interested in more of these videos, that would be great. Cause I'm also gonna do I'll do some more video content, so stay tuned. Anyways, you guys, if you guys are having a good weekend, a Christmas break, let me know comments below how you guys doing. What you're doing, what you're gonna get for Christmas. Let me know comments below. And also, I can't believe it's gonna be a few days till Christmas. Can you believe that, fans? You guys, it's a few days till Christmas. Right now, it's already a few days till Christmas. Is that insane, you guys? Like, we could just spend the whole week doing more of these videos on Christmas time. Good thing there's snow, because, you know, it's winter. Duh. Unfortunately, no one doesn't play this game too much, but my friend does. But actually, I used to support his company until I don't know, something went wrong, but doesn't matter. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to playing. I'm gonna play this game for the first time for you guys. Well, I forgot his name again, but I think his name is Jack, I believe. Yeah, this is based on a real company, actually. Just like any company, it's based on a real company. And it's Wait Bus Lines. Which I think they only operate Bluebird Visions and only Thomas and Twos only. But they don't operate CEs like normal district. It's like their only fleet they're only available is the only buses that are only available is the Bluebird Vision or the Bluebird Metrobird G5 or the Thomas E2. Maybe. But it's kind of rare to see them. Maybe I could show you one maybe I'll make a video of it. But you might have to wait and see till then. Till now, you just gotta wait till then. So yeah. So the good news for my company is we are operating a new update. We just released a new update 2.5. Well, it's not really a big update, it's just the complex update. If you don't know when the world is an admin complex, it isn't complex. It's a complex only for admin government people. It's only for the Cree Nation, Satellite Cree Nation government. I'm sorry, for the Satellite government. And then most people mostly work there for some. I have no information about it, but yeah, I'll show you what it is very soon. So you gotta stay tuned. Also, you guys, hope you guys are hopefully finishing your school days and staying home for the whole season, chillaxing, spend time with families for a while, or probably spending time with the fans. You know, I'm surprised. Thank you guys. If you guys me 355, thank you so much. Give me a little support. And also, we are gonna also stay tuned on Friday the 29th. We're gonna do a premiere of the bus collection. I'm gonna be explaining about all the buses that I had before and the current buses that I have right now. Which there'll be a lot of information, so I hope you have notes or note papers or some stuff. Because you're gonna have to get your mind. Yeah, if you're I recommend do not do it as you can, even though it's gonna be like, I'm not sure how long it's gonna be, but I believe it could be half an hour long, so sit tight, probably get some popcorn, or do what you can while doing whatever you're doing, and probably like sit down, relax, enjoy the history of the district. Which, yeah, you might see it in the community tab. I'm not sure gonna bring it coming soon. Not long until next Friday we'll get this going. So stay tuned next week. We are gonna premiere the bus collection of 2023 and also the history of the buses that were before. But if I don't want to, it's fine. I can also do a but also you gotta look at the I'll show you a fact about the buses. Okay, I'll give you a schedule. If you want to know about the buses that used to be there before, I'll do it around premiering at 3 o'clock. But if you want to see my current buses and the look of the buses, you know what? Forget it. So 3 o'clock p.m. at 5 o'clock EST, I will premiere the video. Or 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will premiere the video at 5 p.m. EST. And then you guys can watch it. If you have to watch that today, maybe on the 29th. It will premiere on that hour. But the first one will probably talk about my bus collection. The current bus collection that I have right now, and the old buses that used to be here, has to be it will start at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just giving you guys a heads up to tell you what time they will premiere on your screens. Well, speaking of big screens, I think this will be about time to drop off all the kids. So we got Gertrude School, we got more schools down there, public school, college. Yeah, there's plenty of schools around here. So also stay tuned on the 29th, because it is going to be a big day for me, but also for you guys, because you know how much you guys want more of these videos, and I'm going to give you what you guys deserve. So let me know in the comments below if you guys are in, so I might do some more solid videos maybe in the next video, so stay tuned. But also, if you guys are new, please smack that like and hit the bell notifications. If you guys are new, I'm gonna pull up right over here. Maybe you're supposed to pull up in here. I'm not sure. Kind of the ugliest places ever, but it is whatever. But Yeah, in Canada, so if you guys don't know, if you watch my Colig bus line videos or Salt Lake, you would tell about the Canadian style. How do you do the way that buses run around Canada? The rules is when you pick up you have to start picking up your kids. Well, when you start your morning, usually, well, common in the States, usually in the morning, bus drivers get up around 4 in the morning to start their bus route around 4 in the morning, and then they want to start up the bus or get to the bus yard, start the buses, get a pre-trip, and then make their way on the roads around 5:30 in the morning. Which is pretty early for bus drivers in the States. And then they pick up the kids, and it's rather be elementary school. I think it's sometimes usually elementary school, or middle school, or high school first. It depends. It depends on what state or what what county or district it is. Which is kind of gets kids annoyed because how much they have to get up really early than Canada does. Well, in Canada, I think most drivers get up around 6 in the morning, pre-trip around 6:30. If it'd rather be in the bus yard or at house, I guess they get up around 6 in the morning, and then 7 in the morning they start their routes and pick up the kids in the morning. That's how much drivers are in Con. And after around 7, I think usually sometimes 7 or about 7 in the morning, I think buses will start running down the roads and picking up kids and taking them to school. I think most buses start coming to the schools around 8:10 or 8:20 in the morning, and then drop off all the kids to school, which is not too bad in Canada, but in the States, I'm sorry, United States, you're dealing with early morning pain. Oh damn. Is it next door? Anyways, yeah. So after when you pick up usually when they pick up the kids first. Usually in the States, they usually pick up the kids and take them to school, and then pick up another load of kids, and then drop them off too. But in Canada, you have to load up every kid in one route. Well, because well, I guess because it's not a waste of time, but it's a bit quicker. I'm not sure who decided to plan that, unless they planned it since when they first introduced buses in the 70s. Who knows? Let me know in the comments below what your theories think. I think I did a video of it. I didn't show what the routes are, but you guys can get it what I mean about bus routes in Canada. At least you got trained about routes in Canada, what differences between Canadian and American routes. Speaking of American routes, is that supposed to be the college? No, you can't tell me that. It's over there. Oh, dang. Oh, don't worry, there's another turn right there. So, So, unfortunately, we have announced that, I officially announced that, unfortunately, Solid Lake Education and Dory, Solid Lake Student Transportation won't be not supporting a Bluebird Vision at the moment for a while. See, if you guys don't know about the Bluebird Vision for my transportation, well, first of all, Origin, it was supposed to be an embeds Bluebird Vision, but unfortunately, the custom-made Bluebird I built, it did not go as succeed, and unfortunately, we had to force to retire it, really, as you may think, due to the well, actually, due to the what has to be due to the it's gotta be due to the lack of drive. The driving thing doesn't work, so I had to force to remove it. I was planning to replace it with a Gen X model, but it didn't work as either. So I just respectfully just removed it. Respectfully. There won't be any Bluebird Visions until I find any models I can leak in the first place. Like a 2024, unless someone could make a 2024 for me. I did try to tell Gold if he could make one, but he actually used my own Bluebird Vision, which actually made it really suck, because you can't exceed or accelerate. Not only accelerate, but you can't control the stop sign properly. The stop sign doesn't work. It's busted. So, but if people keep driving this bus, they're gonna be complaining with a working stop sign. Even worse, it doesn't function properly, which people might have hundreds of complaints about the bus pretty big time. So I had no choice to retire it or replace it. It didn't work as well I would thought it would be, but I guess it is what it is. I guess it gets retired and it gets replaced. But it is gotta be replaced. Anyways, okay, let me know in the comments below, not actually there, but why am I going slow now? That's kind of weird. It was an intersection. I'm going to turn at the intersection. Really? I couldn't turn at the intersection. What the frick? Maybe next time if we play this again, I'm definitely gonna know where it is. Where it is, right in this intersection. Right at this intersection. So yeah, I just announced the Solid Lake map is kind of a... Unfortunately, the new update kind of has problems of its own. Not only it has an update, but everything around here, like opening doors or bus opening doors, have a little error of the game. The game has an error at the moment because my bus... Unfortunately, people will have to complain this for a while until we can sort this problem out. Or else Gold... Well, I guess we'll have to wait till after the Christmas update. 2.6. Well, I guess 2.5 was supposed to promote the admin offices and that stuff. And that was supposed to be it. Then 2.6 is supposed to permit expansions, a new expansion. Unfortunately, there won't be another part 2 till then, because I have complaints about, I have concerns about the, you know, never mind, I don't have, but it might have to be. There won't be another part 2 yet until further notice. Slam, slam. Slam, you stupid bus! Damn it, again. What is with this bus right now? Oh, great, it's green. Dang it! It was red. Oh, that would have been good, but honestly, I just blew it anyway. I was thinking it was a red light, and then it was green the whole time. I had to legally slow it down, then I guess it turned red already when I backed up. It's gonna go, and then it was green. Brilliant! But at least it's better than just hitting that wall up ahead. Okay, we're good. There we go. So you can see I'm already at the PE Megwarm Public Schools. Right here, just gonna do parts of the kids here. Is that the high school down there? Oh, it's called Gregory's Grutrin Controlled Tech School. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be. There's supposed to be a title saying like at the end the thing says, well, I guess we'll tell then, but I imagine these are like full schools. Like these are actually like, you know, kindergarten to grade 12 schools. Who knows? Yeah, I'm trying to focus on the map anyways, but it's not easy to keep content on the map anyways. Come on, let's make it before it gets red. Let's turn to yellow. Go! Saturate! Damn, I'm gonna make it. Damn it! I blew it again! Yay! My bus is always so slow. Like, why is it so damn slow? Speaking of slow, guess what I found? You guessed it. Walmart! I wonder if it's leaked or been modified. They ever mentioned this Walmart is actually leaked or not at all and actually just a modified Walmart? That would be pretty cool. There's Domino's Pizza and there's random empty buildings. So we must be in the town site of the game. Speaking of town site, guess what we are? You can say it again. A school, the last school of the video. So I'm gonna do one video, but I'll do more videos tomorrow. So stay tuned. Projects haven't ever been uploading pretty often. It's just because I'm not into topics at the moment. I just had a rough school day yesterday, but it was just a bit frustrating and also kind of the same at the same time. Anyways, guys, if you guys are new, please smack that like, hit the bell for notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.